Hello guys, this is how you would want to examine your data object in R. You have a data frame, you don't know how it looks like, you don't know anything about it. Yeah, I'm going to show you how you can quickly examine it. First of all, you would want to look at maybe the first five observations, or you would want, to look at the first five observations of your data, or the first two observations of your data. So you have your data object loaded in your environment. So I would run this command called head and pass in my data object a name, which is df, and then select the number of observations I want to view. I want to view 5 and then run. So here it will be able to show you the number of observations you've called for. Yeah. So I want to view only the first 5 observations. As you can see, it has viewed only first 5. Yeah, I may also want to view only the last 5 observations of my data frame. So in that regard, I will run a tail of my data object here. Yeah, I want to view the last 5. It will view for you only the last 5. Yeah, I may be interested in looking at the structure of my data frame. So I'll run a command called strdf. Yeah, this will help you to type in case of the data frame. It will tell you how many rows that are in your data frame, along with the type of the data in each column and the first few entries of each column. So when you run it here, it will tell you the number of observations you have and the variables, and it will also give you the variable name plus its type and the first few observations of the data frame here. This is an integer with the first few observations. Yeah, you may also be interested in the column names of your data frame. So I'll run a command called call names and then run it. So alternatively, you can use names of the data frame. So it will also give you the same thing. Yeah. You may also be interested in knowing the row names of your data. So row names of your data frame. So it will give you the first. It gives you the index of your data frame. So it ends up to 74. So you may also be interested in a summary, just a summary of your data frame. So I'll just run a summary of the data frame. So it will be able to give me that this variable make has 74 observations, class, character, and price. The price variable will be with its summary here, and the minimum value will be listed here: first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, maximum. Then MPG will also have each and everything listed there. I may want to install packages on my computer. I will use install.packages and then pass in the package name there and run. I may also want to load a library that I've installed, so I'll say library and then pass in the name of the library. I may also want to describe my data frame after maybe installing a library called SQL. So I may try to describe my data frame. Yeah. You may also be interested in the correlations of your data. Yeah, in the correlations for your data frame. So maybe you would try to investigate correlations between that and MPG, then run. So it will give it to you. So in that case, you're just interested in understanding what your data is. You may also want to know, maybe because certain command has refused to work normally. So you come to the command here and try to find out using a question mark, and maybe median has refused. So you're trying to ask R what the median is. So it will bring, when you run that command here, it will bring, it will tell you how exactly you can use that command by giving you a few examples. Yeah, in case you want to for example, use permutations, combinations, or perhaps you want to see all the possible payoff combinations of a group of 5 people. Yeah, maybe you want to know how many ways you can select a committee of 4 people from a group of 15. So you simply use choose from 15. I want only a group of 4 people. So this is the possible number of ways you can choose that group. So what we've been doing here we have been trying to examine we've been trying to examine the data object we have here. Thank you for watching. Let me hope that you find out more videos on how to use R for data analysis.